Hello there. In this video I'm going to talk you through a couple of while loops. While loops are extremely lovely, but sometimes a little bit tricky to get your head around, so let's give this a go. This while loops demo is going to be based upon ice cream. Why not? Ice cream nagging. Oh yes. So print Dad, can I have an ice cream? Okay. The answer is going to be, so the variable is going to be assigned an input, and the inputs are either going to be y or n. While the answer, which is of course what's inside this variable, and is either y or n, while the answer double equals of course is a conditional check. Is it true that this is this? While the answer is no, you cannot have an ice cream, print, oh but please, can I have one? Can I, please? It was quite a convincing nag, actually, and that'll probably do me after many goes. So, print, oh, but please, can I have one, please? Can I, please? Okay. So, the answer within this loop then needs to input y or n, because then you're asking within the loop, okay, you have another go. Say yes or no. Finally, ending the loop just by coming out of the code. For this is the joy of Python. Thank you. I knew you would. Okay. Let's run this. Well, let's save it first. Save as. Oh, look, it's already been named. What a sensible name. whileloopsdemo.py. Suits me fine. Good. Let's save it and we'll run this. Dad can have an ice cream. I'm doing it in capitals just to save time. No. Oh, but please, can I have one? Can I please? No. 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 Still no. Still no. Still no. Dad has some resilience here. No. Keep saying no. I've said no so many times I've in fact gone off the screen because I'm in a no kind of mood. So eventually, this young child wins me over. After a few more no's, I'll say yes. Thank you, I knew you would, thus ending the loop. So what a while loop does, it takes a condition. In this case, it's quite easy sometimes to align it to an input. You don't have to, but in this case it's a nice demonstration. So the input is either yes or no. While the answer is no, then keep on looping forever. It's not a for loop. It hasn't got a set number of steps. It's a while loop. It goes on and on and on and on, much like this nag, until, and it gives you the answer, the opportunity to keep on changing your answer. So while the answer is no, say please, and then allow the user to input the answer again, until eventually they keep looping saying no, and then as soon as they say yes, as soon as the user says yes, says y there, the loop breaks. The conditional loop goes, well, answer isn't n anymore. It's not n. It's something other than n. If it's something other than n in Python, it comes out of the loop, and of course the next thing it will do is print, thank you, I knew you would. Okay, hope that was of use to you. Thank you, goodbye.